Hello, my name is Kayla Harlan, and I'm going to give you a tour of my portfolio. For my portfolio, I chose Google Sites. This is a tool I've never used before. I've used Weebly and Wix before, so I wanted to try out something a little bit different. The thing with Google Sites that I noticed right away was that it didn't offer a lot of template options, didn't offer a lot of the extra decorative things that Wix and Weebly uses, and made it a little difficult to add a little bit extra spice to my portfolio. But again, I wanted to do something that was a little bit different than what I've used before. So this is just my home page here. It has my name and some pictures of myself, my classroom, and my students. It gives a brief synopsis on myself and my education, as well as my resume that is listed below. Now, if you have a Google account, using Google Sites is simple. You can link things from your documents from Google Docs, from Sheets, from Slides, but if you do not have those things, it makes it difficult to access and put different work on your site. So from our homepage, I have my professional development all listed, as well as some art at the bottom to add some extra little bit to my portfolio. And that is just off the base last couple of years while I've been teaching. The other pages I decided to add to my portfolio were the major projects from our adult learning. So here is my timeline. If you click here, it'll take you to the timeline, or I also created a picture of my project here just based off of the snipping tool, using the snipping tool. So you can click on it or you can see it there. Then I also linked my attribute maps. So again, I transferred from PowerPoint, I transferred my work to Google Slides so I could upload my project to my portfolio here. But again, if you do not have a Google account, it's necessary to have to create a Google site. You can't add a PowerPoint to Google Sites. It all needs to be a Google. From here, I did my Tech Tool blog. And for my Tech Tool blog, I studied ClassKick. So here's where you can see my summary. That is linked from Google Docs, as well as my screenshot tour of my ClassKick and my blog. So you can click play there, and it is embedded YouTube video. My last page was my contact page, and here you have my full name, my email address, as well as my cell phone number. You can click here to follow my Mate Twitter account, as well as some final pictures from my classroom. I hope you enjoyed my tour of my portfolio using Google Sites. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to contact me. Thank you all, and I enjoyed our time together this year.